When you integrate the email laundry with Connectwise, you can automate server notifications as well as create dynamic billing by pushing license counts into Connectwise right from the email laundry partner portal. To start, you'll need to open up your Connectwise portal, go down to Settings on the sidebar, and then over to Members. Once on the Members page, you go to API Members tab, and then create a new member by going up to the plus sign at the top of the page. You will then need to enter in the information in all boxes marked with an asterisk. The most important thing to remember when filling out these boxes is that the role ID must be set to admin. If it is not set to admin, integration will not work. Once you have finished filling in all the required boxes, you can save the API member by going to the top and pressing the Save button. Once the page has been saved, you can now create your API keys. You do this by going to the API Keys tab and then pressing the plus sign to create new keys. In the description, you can write a name, such as the email laundry demo, and then you click on Save. Your public key and your private key should now be populated. It is very important that you make note of these keys, as once you leave the page, the private key will no longer be accessible, and you will need to create a new API member in order for the integration to work again. Once your keys have been created and saved, you can now go to the Email Laundry website and then go up to Partners in the navigation, down to Logins, and over to the Partner portal. This will take you to your Email Laundry Partner portal. Once in your portal, you go up to Services in the navigation and then down to Psa Integration. This is where all the integration and configuration will take place. Within the integration, you enter in your company ID, which can be found on your Connectwise login. You will then select the zone you are hosted in. If you are hosted on-premise, you simply select the on-premise from the drop-down and then enter in your hosting information in the box that appears, as so. If you are hosted off-premise, you can either select Europe, North America, or Australia as your zone. For the purpose of this demo, we will use staging. The next step is to enter in your public key and your private key. The final step on the integration page is to decide if you want automatic sync turned on or off. If you select yes, the integration will sync automatically once a day. If you select no, you can always manually sync the integration through this page. Once everything is filled in, you go over to Save Changes. As you can see, all the tabs are not populated. This is because you must first click on the Test Connection button next to Save Changes on the PSA Credentials page. Once you have tested the connection, your other tabs should be populated. The next step is to then configure your services that you are using. You can do this by selecting the service through the drop-down menu as seen, or going to Search Product and entering the product name. Once you have selected your services, click on Save Changes. If you go over to the Agreement Configuration tab, you will now see that all your domains that you have set up with us are listed in a table. In this, it will have the domain name, the services that the domains are on, such as security and archiving, and then the status of these services. To add an agreement, you click on Edit. You will see the domain name, the service. Simply search for the company, such as Enron, to find the agreement. You will see the drop-down becomes populated and the Email Laundry-Enron agreement shows up with the Enron company name in parentheses. Once the page has been saved, you can see that the agreement has been added under the Agreement Name section under the Email Laundry-Enron. You can also add agreements and search for them through partial company names. In this case, you just type in E, click on Search Company, go to the drop-down menu, and select the proper agreement name, the Email Laundry-Enron. Click on Save again, and you can see it has been added to the list. It is important to note that this does not mean that the integration has synced yet. To show that, we will go over to Connectwise, go over to Finance, Agreements, select on an agreement, such as the Enron one, Additions, and you will see that the quantity still rests at 125 for both services for this company. Come back over to the Email Laundry portal, you must go to your PSA credentials page and click on Sync. From there, you will see a green box appear that has the domain name, the services, the updated license count, and the status of the update, such as updated since it went through. You can now go back over to Connectwise, reload the page, and you will see that the quantity has automatically been updated. In order to receive automatic service notifications, you need to go back to the Email Laundry portal, click on Service Ticket Configuration, and then select the board you would like the service tickets to be sent to, such as professional services. Then all you need to do is click Save and Sync in the PSA credentials page,
and you will automatically receive a notification anytime one of your customer servers goes down.